All right, it looks like we have a small little guest appearance here by my beautiful daughter. Hi everybody, this is Emma. Isn't she a cutie? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings garage. What do you think about all this, Emma? And today is OEM in Pursuit of the Perfect Spec, episode 4. We have some small updates, but are they small after all? One of them, you guys that follow me in social media probably have seen it already. So today, for the first time, I will be revealing the wheels and tires together in the truck. So shall we get on with it? What do you think, Emma? So what you get in the mail is basically just a small little black box. I went ahead, of course, and I already took it out, and it comes protected inside that, which is very neat. Plus the plastic wrapping, and we're gonna go from that to this. I did opt to go with the smoked. Again, I'm not entirely sure how to even explain this, but I looked into it, and it says that this will tap into the reverse light, apparently. I'm not entirely sure why would anybody want to do that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and not use that, and it becomes by all means plug and play. So let's go ahead and install that. 2 Phillips screws and you're done. This then, my friends, would be your stock third brake light assembly. I personally just don't like the fact that it is clear, just personal opinion. The one we're about to install is, as you'll see in a second, blacked out, but they do sell it in a red assembly, which might not be entirely a bad option either. But let's go ahead and complete this really difficult job. Yes, I'm being sarcastic. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and that is all. So these are indeed super tiny, so you might not want to lose them. And once it does pop out, there should be only one connector. Give yourself as much room as possible, and there it is. It's really nothing to it. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this. All right, now we got ourselves some extra wire, so we'll place that over there, and this should be nice and easy. Make sure it's plugged in as it is, and no surprise there, fits right in. Word to the wise, start one side and then go to the other. Yes, this might not be perfectly lined up, but we shall find out. Okay, we started one side. Let's see the other. Okay. Voila. This is as simple as an installation can possibly be. I mean, this is nothing to it. I will give you guys in a second a close-up, of course, of the final result, but there you have it. For me, this is definitely going to work because it ties in everything the way I want it, and the theme here is, as I said, blacked out. So and there you have it, guys. This is the final result. For me, my personal opinion, looks a lot better than this. For some weird reason now, I started looking at people's third brake lights just to get a certain idea, or general idea I should say, of what they should look like. And it's funny because they're all either this, as you can see right there, or red, which they do offer. But hey, here's another car. Let's take a look. Something tells me this one is, yes, of course, red. So I decided I don't want either. I want to stick to the theme, and I went with a black tile theme. Hopefully you guys like it, but again, if you do prefer this in the more common red, then they are also available. And as always, guys, I will be providing all these part numbers in the description down below. This is some of the stuff that we will be tackling on today's video. So here's a perfect example why you should always inspect these wheels when they arrive in the mail. Luckily for me, the bulk of the damage here, yes, there was damage, is actually on the inside of the wheel. So I'm not gonna go and make a stink about it. But if this was on the outside, honestly, I would be returning it. So yeah, guys, always inspect your wheels. All right, so today I'm gonna show you guys how you can use this super old tool that I've had laying around my toolbox. This is basically to install your valve stems properly. You can accomplish the same thing with a pair of dikes, but this is actually the correct tool to do the job. So as you can see, we do use special valve stems with this particular car. So you go from the inside and you insert it like so, and then from the top you just screw this on. And then you don't want to damage this, so I grab a rag that I folded in several different times. You watch the bottom, and when it bottoms out, you stop. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody that chimed in and helped me pick out these tires. A lot of the decisions I make, you guys are very much behind it, and I am very grateful for all the info and the power that is at play here. Because after all, we are a big community and we are here to help one another. So for that, I thank you. Let's talk tires, guys. I went with these Nitto Terra Grapplers G2. Did stick with the OEM size because of many reasons. I didn't want any rubbing. I didn't want to affect my miles per gallon a lot. Yes, for those of you that didn't know, when you do go all-terrain tires, your miles per gallon will be affected. And I don't want to give you a full review on the experience with these tires as of yet, because they've only been on the truck for a week. But the 1 week, I already noticed about 1.5 gallons less than usual. But I have to say, as far as noise, road noise goes, I am extremely pleased. These tires are, just like advertised, not as noisy as some of the competition, hence why I went with this particular setup. I hope you guys do enjoy the way this truck is looking. I'm not gonna lie, I've been catching myself looking back a lot of the times. My vision is indeed becoming a reality. And this very next one, guys, I highly recommend that you guys do watch the video in which I did the installation. Not so much for the lights itself, because there is plenty of information on that, but how I actually ran an entire circuit, safe circuit I should say, so that we could have a functioning switch for the Raptor lights itself. Not much to see here. Once again, I want to emphasize on the fact that you guys should go and watch the video that basically lights up and only functions with the ignition on. Definitely a fun project, and it cleaned things up for me in the engine bay. So no more wires. What we do have is a relay right there. Yeah, small update, but an update nonetheless. I hope you guys are enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying turning this vision that I've had into a reality. This truck, when I am done, is going to be epic. As always, guys, do stay tuned. There's a lot more coming. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one.